Have you ever wondered how the everyday items you use are actually made? From powerful machines that shape concrete blocks to precision tools recycling old tires, this video takes you deep inside the most mesmerizing and satisfying factory processes. Get ready to be amazed by the speed, accuracy, and sheer power of modern manufacturing. This is Mighty Machines. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Varon ACC block manufacturing process, a perfect example of how advanced machinery creates lightweight, durable, and energy-efficient building blocks. It begins by mixing sand, lime, cement, and aluminum powder.
Blocks are cured in an autoclave, subjected to high pressure and lime, cement, and aluminum powder. These blocks are known for being lightweight, durable, and energy. Is executed with precision.
A chemical reaction causes the mixture to expand into a porous structure.
Them into uniform,
the blocks are then cured in an autoclave under high pressure and heat, giving them strength and insulation. Every stage, from mixing to molding and curing, is precise and carefully monitored to ensure high quality.
Watching this process, machinery used is capable of handling large quantity temperature to achieve their final strength and insulating, making them an excellent choice for various construction projects. End product contributes significantly to sustained sequence of mixing, molding, and curing, ensures forming the block.
Next up is fiber cement panel production.
Of material,
this process mixes cellulose fibers, cement, and silica into a slurry. Advanced machines shape, press, and cure the slurry into strong,
an excellent solution for both. Observing the transition from raw slurry to finished panels produced are not only robust. The process involves several stages, including forming, pressing, and cure building components. Preparation begins with a blend of cellulose products that meet contemporary construction demands.
Fire-resistant
panels
and
are
weatherproof
visually
panels.
Appealing and highly
These panels
standards
are
of
perfect
durability
for both indoor and
performance.
outdoor construction. The technology
slurry,
ensures consistent quality and impressive durability.
By advanced machinery, seamlessly to handle large volume exterior and interior building needs, making them suitable for various construction applications. Cement and silica. Transforming raw materials into versatile machinery involved operates is a testament to industrial precision and efficiency. Ensuring each panel meets this production line exemplifies how these elements are mixed to form.
Now meet the MP200 block manufacturing machine, a cutting-edge system that produces concrete blocks in various sizes and shapes. It combines different materials to improve strength and performance, with features like automated stacking and quality
to ensure
check.
Consistent quality and performance. Often dictate the type of building materials needed. Specialized features, such as enhanced insulation features like automated stacking and quality control system, is uniformly formed and meets stringent quality standards. Multiple materials, which enhances the shapes, accommodating diverse construction material, transforming them into high-performance building blocks in the construction industry, where specific project requirements. The MP200 also incorporates innovative, significantly contributing to the efficiency and reliability to the final inspection of the completed blocks. The MP200 apart
this
is its
machine
ability
is fast,
to produce blocks
efficient,
with the
and
machine
reduces
operates
errors.
with incredible
it even
speed
creates
and
blocks
accuracy,
with special features
ensuring
like
that
better
each
insulation or
a
higher
wide
load-bearing
variety
capacity,
of block sizes
perfect
and
for modern
technology
construction
to
needs.
produce top-quality concrete blocks. It's a well-orchestrated sequence of activities, from the initial mixing of materials, which minimize human intervention and reduce the likelihood of error. Overall properties of the blocks, making them strong experience as it combines precision, speed, and advanced properties or increased load-bearing capacity. Materials are mixed and molded into precise shapes before the machinery used is capable of handling large volumes of undergoing a curing process that solidifies their structure.
Let's switch to something smaller but just as precise. The cotton swab production machine from the Forbona Group. This machine wraps cotton onto sticks with incredible speed and accuracy,
reducing human error and binding cotton onto sticks to produce uniform swabs.
Ensuring every swab is soft, uniform, and hygienic.
Advanced technology
it's widely
meets
used
daily
in both
necessities.
households and healthcare settings.
Ensuring gentle use on sensitive areas. Of precision engineering and stringent hygiene standards. Increasing productivity. Each swab is crafted to be soft and safe for personal care. Swabs are made. Let's dive in. Reliably, making it a crucial asset in both household and medical settings. The machine's automated system guarantees consistent process unfold is a testament to modern manufacturing capability. This machine operates with remarkable speed and accuracy. Efficiently
Moving on, the WIA shredding
satisfying
machine
factory
makes quick
production
work of
quickly
LED
processed
light bulbs,
is incredibly
separating glass,
gratifying.
plastic, and
Each
metal
as
for recycling.
LED bulbs are fed into the machine, its powerful WIA shredding process not only ensures effective recycling, it effectively separates the glass, metal, display of efficiency and precision. The blend
blades
of
slice
robust
through materials
machinery
with
and
satisfying
precise
precision,
execution
helping
makes
reduce
blades
waste
make
and making
quick down
recycling
into
more
smaller
efficient.
pieces. Also contributes significantly to reducing waste streams.
And if that's not enough, the same shredding system handles aluminum cans, crushing
The
them into
high-tech
clean
capabilities
fragments.
that make this one of the most satisfying factory production processes. To pure aluminum fragments, exemplify its simpler
Any leftover
and more
liquid
effective.
is drained out as the machine
efficiently
separates
drained,
clean aluminum
ensuring
for
that
reuse.
only as the
The
cans
speed
progress
and
through the
smooth action of this machine is almost hypnotic.
The efficiency of heavy-duty factory machines. This precision and speed, meticulous separation creates an almost hypnotic scene. It is by the powerful blades, clean aluminum remains are particularly compelling, showcasing swift mechanical action and system. Any leftover liquids are the continuous feed of cans into the machine and the rapid transformation is crucial for the recycling process, making this separation is
Let's visit the
as it
SEA
is
canning
captivating
process,
to watch.
where food preservation is done
And
with
ensuring
top-tier
only the
technology.
highest apart is the synchronized coordination between each step. The sealing stage is executed with following sterilization, the thorough sterilization of cans to ensure a of heavy-duty factory machines in the food industry. Quality control checks are integrated seamlessly.
Sterilized
Iced
cans
for
are
long-term
filled,
storage.
sealed, and checked for
products.
quality with extreme accuracy.
Journey begins.
This seamless process keeps food fresh and safe for
operation
long-term
showcase
storage.
ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted items are added with exacting care, making the process as efficient, identifying any deviations. It sets the SECA process, filling each can. Products move forward, safeguarding the content uniformly.
Then there's the
Produce a
Schrammel
steady
Belt
stream of
Press
juice,
TP50,
makes it a
machine that turns whole
consistency
fruits
that
into pure
ensures
juice.
uniformity in the juice produced. Pressed and seeing the while ensuring a high yield of juice. The belt move. The process ensures that every drop of juice is extracted without juice, while keeping waste to a minimum. Handles raw for amazing process.
The belt gently presses
End
the fruits
product
to
is of
extract
the highest.
juice
The
with minimal
Schrammel Belt
waste.
Press model
Watching the juice flow out
TP50
while preserving
operates
flavor
with a
and
level
quality
of
is
through
both
different
satisfying
stages
and
of pressing.
efficient.
With each step meticulously optimized for and the transformation of whole fruits into pure juice is moots with a level of precision that is both impressive. Not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that the demonstrating how machinery can be used to achieve superior. As fruits are loaded onto the belt, they are gently technology to enhance compromising the quality. An example of what heavy-duty factory machine TP50 is a marvel of rhythmic movement of the belt, and efficient.
Next,
Underscore
the
the
GHS
capabilities of
800
modern
t-shirt bag
heavy-duty
machine
factory
delivers
machines
speed and quality
operation is
in plastic
incredibly
bag production.
satisfying, as the raw materially, effectively doubling the output without sacrifice. This advanced machine is designed to produce the plastic bags materials seamlessly transform into finished products.
Running
Smooth
two lines
process
at
of
once,
cutting,
it cuts,
folding, and
folds,
sealing bags
and seals
quick
bags with
sets it
precision.
apart is
Perfect
its
for
ability
retail
to
and grocery
operate two
stores.
production lines simultaneously, an impressive fusion of speed and quality in manufacturing. 800's high-speed performance and consistent output session highlights its efficiency and precision, commonly seen in retail and grocery stores. Pricing quality.
Take a look at the GSCS horizontal CNC machine, which uses computer-controlled tools for high-precision
Contributing
cutting.
to environmentally conscious manufacturing practices. Machine at work is truly mesmerizing as it skillfully carves intricate patterns of precision engineering.
Whether it's carving designs or shaping parts, this machine handles each task with minimal waste and incredible detail.
Make it a standout in the world of factory production processes. With its advanced computer-controlled technology, this materials turning raw pieces into refined components. Also
Finally,
significantly
visit the Eldon
reduces
Tire
environmental
Recycling
impact.
Plant, where old tires
Nothing
are
goes to
transformed
waste,
into valuable
surfaces
materials.
or new tires,
The machine
while the
separates rubber,
components,
steel,
rubber,
and textiles,
steel, and
turning
textiles
waste
into
new
machines
products.
designed to
It's a
cut
clean,
and shred them
efficient,
into smaller
and sustainable
pieces.
process that
Useful
highlights how
materials,
recycling
vital
technology
role in
protects our
sustainable
environment.
practices. Advanced technology not only maximizes resource recovery, but often repurposed for playground success begins with feeding whole tires